is a state-of-the-art match finder that allows you to meet successful people with quality life. Hell no! You're right for...
Summer romances end for all kinds of reasons. They have one thing in common. They are shooting stars, a spectacular moment of light in the heavens, a fleeting glimpse of eternity, and in a flash, they're gone.
MTV event, there was a little controversy, like during Taylor Swift's award acceptance, as Kanye interrupted.
Yo, Taylor, I'm really happy for you. I'm gonna let you finish. But Beyonce had one of the best videos of all time. One of the best videos of all time.
Do that again. You hear me?
We taking over!
Okay, hello, it's the Martian. Space Jam Gardens. I won't shit forever. Wake up and smell the gardens. Fresher than the harvest. Step up to the target. If I had one guess, then I guess I'm just New Orleans. And I would never stop like I'm running from the cops. Hop up in my car and told my chauffeur to the top. Life is a roller coaster, then it drops. But what should I scream for? This is my theme park.
Prestige Dance Crew!